Ramey, it's your deal, your way.
Take a ride in the 2021 4Runner. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, front knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal.
Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.